No matter your goals and aspirations, if you have the right mentorship or the right training, you'll be able to accomplish them. If you're someone that is looking to acquire digital skills, professional skills, or even skills that are going to improve your CV and better still improve your career, but you don't have the capital or the capacity to be able to afford these courses, I think this particular video is going to go a long way to help you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of how you can access premium, high-quality courses for free, 100% free, for you to be able to learn and even acquire certificates that are going to back those courses that you have taken. If you are new to the channel, here we talk about how you can make money online. And if you like content like this, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button so this particular video will reach as many people as possible, and possibly also look through the comment section or the description of the video. You will find our community link where you can join a group of like-minded individuals like yourself who want to make money online and people who want to put the internet to a productive use. So I'll be going to my screen to walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can find premium courses from Udemy and actually access these courses for free and also get a certification that you need for these courses. So when you check on my screen, you can see we have development courses where you have a lot of other programming courses in web development and all that. Business, accounting, IT, and a whole lot of things, even marketing. So you can learn anything at all on Udemy. Now, this is the catch. I'm going to show you first a step where you can get access to Udemy courses through a third-party website. Then secondly, I'm going to give you access to premium Udemy user accounts with passwords, about 10 to 20 of them, so that you can use any of them to access a premium Udemy account directly where you can learn the courses. So these are the two methods I am going to teach you in this particular video. So method number one, we are going to go to a website called Course City. All right. So Course City is a platform that brings together courses from different online course platforms like Udemy, like Udacity, Coursera, and a whole lot of other platforms. Okay, so here on Course City, it says find the perfect online course for you. Instant search 50,000 plus courses on the web. We have collected the best online courses from the biggest platforms and put them together for you. So what do you want to learn today? All you have to do is enter the topic you want to learn, whether sociology, development, digital marketing. So here I'm going to just choose any of the topics over here, like digital marketing. Okay, so it's going to load an interface for me and I will see different videos in digital marketing. Mostly in my case, I watch videos based on the number of people who have reviewed the course. So I've seen this particular course, how to create a complete marketing campaign in under 1 hour. This course has 1,000 people who have reviewed it, and this course is just 51 minutes. All right, so I'm just going to click on this particular link here. Okay, go to the course. It says go to course. That's a link over here. All right, so I'll just click on the link, and you can see from here the total people who have learned or enrolled in this course, that is 26.5 thousand. Okay, 26,500. Yes, 26.5k members have enrolled in the course, which means the course is doing great. You can read the description of the course and you can see the courses on Udemy as well. All right, so when I come here, I will see the course here. All I have to do is click on enroll. So there are more than 28,000 students who have enrolled in the course, and out of that, 1,023 people have rated the course above 4-star. So if you want to take such a course, you have to think about the reviews as well. But the problem is this particular course does not come with a certification. So for me, I won't take a course like this. I'll just head back to Course City and look for a different course that has the ability for me to get certification. For example, I can go to business. When I go to business, the platform is going to show me courses on the business. So let me say I want to take free time management tutorial because 18,000 people have reviewed it. All right, and then I'll go to free course. Okay, you look through too. So it's merging Course City and then redirecting to Udemy. That's the interface you'll see now. It's trying to, yes, take me to Udemy right from Course City, and this one actually has 32,000 ratings. Okay, more than 4-star. And then this particular one also has 321,900 students. Of course, this one too does not have, how do you call it, certification coming from it. Okay, but you can look through and you will find videos that actually come with certification. Now, the second method I'm going to teach you is a method that is going to help you to sign in to active Udemy accounts. Okay, so for example, let me try and see if I can go to my incognito browser. All right, and then I'll click on login here and try to log in with an account. Okay, so let me see. This particular one says welcome Andrew. I think it's one of the accounts that I used. All right, let me log in and see if it works. If it does, that is cool. Okay, let me see how it goes. All right, so it worked. Of course, I was able to log in, and you can see this account is for someone from India. So I'm going to leave you real accounts that are performing. Okay, accounts that are actually performing, that are premium accounts. The person has already paid for the courses, or the person has already subscribed. The idea behind the whole video is to help you get access to correct premium courses that are going to go a long way to impact some knowledge and also give you some skills you need, whether for your career or for your business. The first requirement you have to get for this particular process is a Udemy account. You need to register a Udemy account before you can use the Course City website to be able to access courses on Udemy. I'll be leaving the link to Course City in the description, and as well, like I promised, I'll be leaving active account login credentials in the description for you to be able to try them and then be able to get premium Udemy accounts that can help you to access premium courses for yourself. Like I did mention, not all the login credentials are guaranteed. Some of them are working, some are not, and some actually have active courses. So whichever one you get will be based on the number of times you try, then your luck in trying these options. I hope this particular video is going to go a long way to help you get some courses that are going to change your life. And let me know what you think about this particular video in the comment section. Also remember to join our community, our WhatsApp community, where we share thoughts, we share knowledge, we share tips on how you can make money online and how we all can put the internet to a productive use. That will be all for today. I will catch you in the next one.